Chocolate chip cookies are a classic dessert, loved by millions. However, whether you are out of chocolate chips or looking for an alternative, you can use a substitute for chocolate chips in cookies. There are several variations on the classic chocolate chip cookie, such as chewy, soft, cakey and crispy. They are often made with semi-sweet chocolate chips, however, substitutions can be made. There are many options to substitute chocolate chips in your cookies. 1. Solid chocolate bar. If you still want chocolate in your cookies, but don't have any chocolate chips, you can use a solid chocolate bar instead. Simply dice the chocolate bar into small pieces and add them to your cookies. Semi-sweet is the most popular type of chocolate used in chocolate cookies, and it is also available in bars. Milk chocolate or dark chocolate bars may also be chopped up and used as a replacement for chocolate chips. You can also use cocoa in your cookies to give it that delicious chocolate taste. For every ounce of chocolate, add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, and 1 tablespoon of butter. 2. White chocolate. White chocolate chips are a popular additive to many desserts. They are loved for their smooth and creamy taste. Though they are called white chocolate, they do not contain any chocolate, but still make a great alternative to chocolate chips. Simply substitute the amount of chocolate chips your recipe calls for with the same amount of white chocolate. 3. Vegan chocolate. If you are wanting to replace chocolate chips for a vegan option, you can still add chocolate. Vegan chocolate contains only sugar, unsweetened chocolate, and cocoa butter. It does not contain any milk, making it vegan-friendly. 4. Carob chips. Carob chips are made from the pods of carob trees, which are a type of Mediterranean shrub. Similar to chocolate, carob is dried, roasted and turned into powder, which can then be made into chips. Carob is known for its naturally sweet taste, comparable to that of chocolate. Carob is a popular low-sugar alternative to chocolate. It is also low in fat and high in fiber, making it a healthy substitute for chocolate. Though it has a similar taste to chocolate, they do not have the same richness and melty texture of chocolate. Carob chips are also often vegan, so they make a great choice if you are looking to avoid any animal products. They also do not contain any caffeine. 5. Flavored chips. If you are looking to add a flavored chip with a similar consistency to chocolate chips, there are several options. Adding different flavored chips will give your cookies a similar likeness chocolate chip, with different delicious flavors. Adding flavored chips allows you to substitute your chips of choice in for the same amount of chocolate chips your recipe calls for. 6. Caramel chips. Caramel chips have become a popular addition to many baked goods. They are creamy, caramel-flavored baking chips that have a rich consistency similar to chocolate. Caramel chips make a delicious addition to cookies. 7. Peanut butter chips. Peanut butter chips can be a great substitute for chocolate chips. They have a similar consistency for chocolate chips and taste delicious when added into cookies. Peanut butter chips are rich and creamy, making them a tasty alternative to chocolate chips. 8. Yogurt chips. Yogurt chips can also be added to cookies as an alternative to chocolate chips. They are a healthier substitute to chocolate chips and have a delicious, creamy taste. Some people even like to enjoy them as snacks by themselves. Whether you ran out of chocolate chips, want a different flavor, or are looking for a vegan option, there are several different alternatives to using traditional chocolate chips in cookies. You can easily substitute out chocolate chips without having to completely change the cookie recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.